The hadith you were referring to, in which the Prophet ﷺ said that whoever has written anything from me other than the Quran should erase it. This hadith is recorded by Abu Sa'id al-Khudri, and it's in Sahih Muslim. It's an authentic hadith. Because of time constraints, I didn't go into all of this in great detail, but the principle is you take that hadith of the Prophet ﷺ, and you take many other hadiths like the hadith of Abdullah bin Amr ibn al-As, the hadith of Abu Shah during the pilgrimage, the Hajj of the Prophet ﷺ, in which the Prophet ﷺ gave a khutbah, and Abu Shah came to the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ and said, I would like that khutbah recorded. So the Prophet ﷺ told one of his scribes to record it for the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. To record it for Abu Shah. Well, hadith close to the end of his life in which he was going to record something. And this shows that the prohibition of recording hadith that is found in the hadith of Abu Sa'id al-Khudri is either, as you alluded to, either it is specific with respect to recording hadith and Quran on the same sheet or whatever, or it is early command from the Prophet ﷺ that was abrogated by later command and so forth. And these different scholars have discussed it and come up with different views. The important thing is that we know that by the death of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, he had given a general, or there was a general understanding that it was permitted to record the hadith of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. So the hadith he referred to is sahih. Like alhamdulillah, we have plenty of other evidence to show that there is no prohibition no general prohibition against writing the hadith of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ.